How is the HW universe doing? I am Bulldog, and welcome back to the reaction video. And today we're reacting to Polish EAS alarm 1939. And so, someone requested this and said, try not to get scared. And so this is one alarm. Deciding the compilation that I reacted to before. And so, if this is one alarm and they're saying not to get scared, and this is 1939, a lot of stuff was different back then. I'm a little interested, and the only reason I'm doing this is because I just want to see if I can get scared and stuff. It's only 37 seconds, so I'm going to try to just up the video so it's not like 15 seconds. But, yeah, so I'm interested to see if I get scared or not. If you realize my voice is a little deeper because I just woke up an hour ago. But anyway, before this video begins, if you haven't already, please subscribe because we are on the road to 15,000 subscribers. Also, if you have any reaction requests, do give to me, put it down in the comments, and I'll put it in the reaction to do playlist within the description. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the second channel, top link in the description. But anyway, let's see if you can get scared. Like if you get scared. Dude, okay. I can see why it was its own video. Why? Why have that as an alarm? Bro, imagine you're just sleeping. Like, no, you're just out for a midnight stroll. And you hear that. Bro, I would be sprinting home. I don't care how far I live. If I'm living 5 miles away or 5 feet away, I'm sprinting. Let's see that again. That was horrifying. In my mind, it actually kind of sounds like a modern day phone notification sound. Like, ba-dum, ba-dum. Any more EAS alarms you guys want to send me? I'm down, but they're horrifying. What was going on in Poland? How often did people have to hear this? Maybe I think it was when Germany invaded Poland? They invaded Poland, right? But alright, well, that was my reaction to Polish EAS alarm 1939. I'm not going to sleep well tonight. I'm going to be thinking about this the whole day while I'm at work. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button with the finisher, then pin it with the 1, do the recount. But if you disliked it, please tell me what I could do better in the next video or in the future. And bada bang, bada boom, bada bye. Bye. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.